Imagine an entire century of history wiped from the books. 800 years of secrets locked away by those in power. This lost era is called the Void Century, and what happened during it is powerful enough to shake the entire world. At the center of this mystery stands Joy Boy, a figure tied to a golden kingdom from 900 years ago. Not a king, not a god, but someone who inspired people to fight for freedom. He and his allies went to the war against a coalition of rulers, the group that would later form the world government. And that conflict left permanent scars on the planet. And now, for the first time, the story gives us something chillingly direct. In the latest episode, an ancient robot, a relic from the Void Century itself, awakens and looks straight at Luffy. Not at a pirate, not at a Yonko, but at someone it recognizes. It tells him he resembles Joy Boy and then asks him his name. Think about that for a second. This machine is over 800 years old. It existed during the Void Century. And to it, Luffy isn't just similar. He feels familiar, as if the past is looking at the present and seeing the same spirit return. That moment quietly confirms something huge. Joy Boy wasn't just a legend written in stones. He was real, and his will didn't disappear. It carried forward. The war Joy Boy fought wasn't small either. It evolved weapon far beyond normal technology. The ancient weapons Pluton, Poseidon, and the mysterious Uranus. Their use caused a man-made catastrophe so massive that the seas rose and the entire continent sank. The world we see now exists on the broken remains of that drowned age. Fast forward to the present. Vegapunk uncovers piece of that buried truth. He warns that the same force that sank the old world are still active. He predicts rising seas and confirms that ancient weapons are moving once again. Before everything goes dark, he broadcasts a final warning. And suddenly, the Void Century no longer feels distant. And above it all sits the Shadow Ruler Imu, the one behind the throne, the one who benefits most from the past staying buried. When King Nefertari Cobra stood before Imu, it looked calm, almost peaceful, and then smile first, blade second. A straight up backstab from the front, polite, quiet, and deadly.
Nefertari D. Lily.
That single moment explains everything. The truth of the Void Century is dangerous because it threatens control. The poneglyphs are not just history. They are messages designed to survive censorship. The ancient weapons were not just tools of war. They were tied to a world that victors wanted erased forever. And now with the ancient robot recognizing Luffy, the past is no longer silent. Vegapunk warning make one thing clear. This isn't just history being uncovered. It's a countdown. If those weapons awaken fully and the seas keep rising, the balance of the world will collapse. So the real question becomes this. When the final secrets of the Void Century surface, will they free them or drown them along with the truth?